Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Notion templates for brand guidelines, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in notion.so and press enter. Once the Notion homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be presented with different login options. Choose to log in with either your email, Google account, or Apple ID. If you select email, enter your email address and click Continue. Check your email for a verification code, then input it in the If you choose Google, click on the Google Sign In option. Select your Google account or enter your credentials if prompted. If you opt for Apple ID, follow the instructions to sign in using your Apple credentials. After logging in, you will be redirected to your Notion workspace. Once inside your workspace, find the search bar at the top left corner. Type in templates into the search bar and press enter. This will display a list of available templates. Scroll down to find the brand guidelines template. Click on the brand guidelines template to view it. Review the template features and layout. If you are satisfied, click on Use this template. The template will now be added to your personal workspace. You can make any necessary adjustments to fit your brand's needs. Finally, save your changes to ensure your brand guidelines are up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.